how to personalize your lock screen on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your settings app and then go to wallpaper and then choose the lock screen that you want to customize and then tap on customize option. And now you will be redirected here. And what you need to do is you will need to tap on the widgets, and here you can see various options of widget that you can add. You can just remove the one that you don't like and add another one. It's as simple as that to add remove widgets, and then you can see the time option. You can choose the font according to your wish. You can even change how big you want the font to be. You can even change the color according to your wish. Then here you can change the time as well. Instead of time, you can put in your events calendar, or you can even put in weather, and then you can even change the filter here by swiping to the left. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.